Hi, hello. This is the day 6 of English learning. You know, this is the so much of my how to say. I am taking the video myself. I put on my channel. So, what is the reason I am doing this kind of the plan? Because of if you taken that video after you watching that video, what you made a mistake on that video. After that, you should the learning which kind of problem you were struggling on that time. So yeah, I am taking this video, that only one reason. So this is the I am not speaking how to learn the English, how to speak the English. So in my think only I'm the this kind of the I am speaking the English communication skills. I felt the 30 days only I spending the while I am speaking the loud. Before that I am not speaking the loud. I'm instead of only I'm thinking English. After I'm reading books, I am watching some kind of the books and videos until like that way. So if you slowly speaking, you can easily speak which kind of word next you need to spend. So I haven't any content, like if you're speaking the daily English communication series, please support me. Also watch my videos fully. So if if I made any mistakes, please let me know in the comment section. That is makes helpful. So the the what I'm saying means, you not having any friends, you can't practice the you haven't environment in your nearby. Please also let me know in the comment section. I will share Google Meet or some kind of the meet. We are together speak, taken that video, we are put in this channel. So I am also beginner, but in the some of time I am also speaking the good English. I am not taken that video while I am speaking the good English, I think, in my opinion. The some of time I'm also they are listening lot of content, lot of videos. But if you only the listening, I really telling, that is not enough for your speaking. So what I'm saying is, if you practicing your communication skills, why I am saying, if you speaking the loud that word, you can easily your mouth will be the flexible. So in my opinion, if you speaking the good English or bad English, that is the not important. If you have the confidence, you can easily speak the communication skills the anywhere, any in front of the person also. If you the some of time you have the confidence, you have to the motivation, you have that. But we can't just speak. Why I am saying means, I am also speaking the in front of the video. I'm also struggling with while some of time, I know, because of I'm also taken the lot of the videos after I'm watching. So it is happening for the every person. In this world, the every person not perfect. If you made a mistake, after you learning that mistake, so that is the key. Also the consistency also key. If you haven't the time, please put on the effect in the while listening or the speaking. So if you have any friends, you haven't any speak someone else, please use the chat bot. The ChatGPT and Gemini also there in this AI era. Yeah, you can speak that. Yeah, you have, because why I am saying, I am also speaking that AI. It is the how to say, it is the not human like, but you are the practicing with the AI. So you have the gain the confidence. Also you are speaking the loud. If you speaking the loud, you have that word will be the flexible in your mouth. So that's the reason I am said. So in this video I am discuss on this kind of how to learn English. So I don't know, like if you the some of the people only the retaining the sentence and the tenses and the grammatical. this kind of the people there are listening, and some kind of a situation there's so many people affected. So in my opinion, you haven't the put on the effect in the learning also, but you have to put on effect, hard work in while you are speaking the loud communication skills. I'm also a beginner in this communication series, so in my opinion I have some confidence. I build a I would say I build myself to the the confidence. So this only reason I'm taking that video, I put on the effect. So if I any made a mistake, please let me know in the comment section. Please support me because I'm also a beginner. So we are together learn. So the confidence also key. So and also you using the daily the communication, some of the new words used, like I brush my teeth, I wake up, I go to take breakfast, I go to school, I take my bag, I I wear my shoes. After after that, what can I say? So the good morning, also the basics communications words. So so that is the key. Like some of the people, the only the listening so many videos or something. So so what I'm saying means you should need the basics communication word. While because of so many people there are speaking with some of the people, the basics communication only needed for them. So if you understandable communication, it is the enough, I think. The some of the people they expecting the more. If you are speaking the regularly, you have achieve that the fluency, also the understandable, because of you haven't the environment, because of your environments in your surrounding only they are speaking their native language. How to you can speak the second language? So that is the reason your learning time, it's the lot. So in my opinion, you haven't the environment, it's okay, finally it is okay, but you should try in front of the mirror in your home or something different. So okay, thank you. Like after that, what can I say? If you haven't the environment, it's okay. You have the so many platform in the world. You have the only just you have the mobile. You can easily the learning communication skills. You watch you watch the podcast, and also you watch the how to learn the communication skills. Some of the people you should need the content. So yeah, so this kind of video in this video. So please, I made any mistake, please let me know in the comment section. Please support me. We are together to learn. We have to see next video. I hope you are all good. So thank you for watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section any made a mistake. We are together learning. Okay, bye.